right, guys, so Michael is about to head out to Home Depot and I am on my mission, and that is to label make. It's taken me how many months? More than 3, probably 6. I've had this for so long, I can't even tell you. Definitely in the summer I bought this. I was influenced by my sister-in-law, who is a teacher influencer. If you don't know, she's Mrs. Rainbow Bright on Instagram. She uses this, so I bought this and I love it. It is a label maker. It's not like the old school ones. I kind of do love the old school ones where you like type in them and then it comes out, and that's fun. This is on your phone, of course. So it connects to an app really easy. You just literally scan the QR code and you're in. And I am making little labels. We've done this. We don't like doing too much. Some people put like big plaques of what their things are and instructions and all that. We don't love that. We just want minimal. So I'm making little labels. I don't know if you can see. The couch lights keep getting turned off from the actual like knob on them. So they do have a switch. I'm making couch lights as one of my labels so that people know that those lights are connected to this light switch. So just little things like that we do around the house. And then we label like the fan clickers that are like our sunset room and sunrise room, so they know which one they go in, and then our cleaner will know if they're laying around the house, they can grab it and put it back. I'm doing that today because sometimes it's nice to know what light switches are what, and you're not going around the house like pressing a bunch of buttons. And we've added a bunch of Wi-Fi lights that don't have labels, so we need to put those on too, which we love Wi-Fi lights. And we'll link this down below, and we will link our Wi-Fi lights because they have been wonderful. Okay, let's do it. Okay.
Bethany, you'd be good.
Was I recording? Okay, good. One thing I don't love about this, and I'm sure you can get a different one, I like the clear. And these are white backgrounds. This one looks good still. I'm gonna leave that guy on there. I'm gonna dust that though. That's looking dirty. This hanging light right here needed it, because we just got a Wi-Fi light for that not too long ago. So you just double tap in this app, and then I want to put no fan, open window. I should put a comma after no fan. And then I go print label, print now. So easy. Look at that. Look at us. For all of our guests that think that that is a fan, it is not. It is actually a heater. We've gotten so many messages just privately, not on our actual like reviews. Private messages saying, hey, like your fan is broken in the bathroom. Just thought I'd let you know. And I'm like, no, it's not. No, the fan is not broken. I'm gonna put this on this second. No fan.
The first thing I think I need to tackle is the bathroom stuff. And I'm just gonna put you guys on my head so you can see what I'm doing. We're gonna put a new flapper in. I hope this is the right size. Put a new handle and lever in, but this time I got black so it matches the doorknobs. Disconnect this. I dropped it. This is, oh my gosh. Yeah, it just broke. That's crazy. I should probably read the directions. This. Easy enough. Okay, I think I did it. Let's turn this back on. Let's try this. Look at that. Would ya? Look at that. At Home Depot, I got one of these outlet extenders, and it's a surge protector too. Just because we have two things now, and the fan for this fireplace also plugs in right here, so I wanted to make sure people had enough room to plug everything in, and then this is just better than having like a power strip. This. Alright, you guys don't need to watch me do this. So last night we tested the projector out. We watched Interstellar.
Which is amazing. You should watch it twice.
Or 3 times. Watched Interstellar because we wanted to get the full cinematic experience and see if you could understand dialogue, if you could see dark scenes, if you could sit comfortably for 2.5 hours in that living room. And we just laid on the couch together. It worked out great.
We loved it.
Yeah, that projector is really good. And like I said, this is not affiliated at all. I literally just found it on Amazon. The reviews were good. And it matches the aesthetic of the show.
Which is perfect. That's it. Overall, wonderful. Very happy with it. 10 out of 10.
10 out of 10.
Recommend. I thought I told them that. I thought we were like 10 out of 10. Recommend.
Well, yesterday, but we hadn't like actually sat down and watched a movie with it yet.
Oh yeah. Okay. Well, now 11 out of 10. Recommend.
Yes.
Wow. What have we been missing out on?
But the pull down screen smelled like paint.
Yeah, that's the only thing. It does smell like paint. Like
so, it might take a few days for that to dissipate. But that's the thing that stinks about buying cheap stuff on Amazon, and it's not like it's cheap because it was a $100 pull down projector screen.
Yeah.
But all in all, that whole setup was $500. Yeah,
it's great.
Yeah, not bad.
I mean, a TV's probably cheaper, but
not really.
No?
For like a nice big TV.
Yeah, and if you wanted to get a frame, it'd be like $2,000.
Yeah.
So yeah, $500. Very happy with it.
And the house doesn't feel like it has a TV in it.
No.
You know what I
mean? Like I don't even notice the thing
until you want to use it.
Yeah. It's great. Yeah. I love it. I'm very, very excited.
Cool. Just figured we'd give you guys a review.
Because like if it's windy or whatever,
and cold or rainy,
and you can't go outside while you're here, it's a perfect, alternative to being outdoors.
Yeah.
Love it. I've actually been doing a lot, and I was listening to Demois' podcast, so I didn't film what I was doing, but I cleaned the entire stovetop, and I'm letting the little guys that sit underneath soak in vinegar because they've been burnt, so I'm doing that. And I conditioned the butcher block countertops, which we like to do every like 6 to 9 months. This has been about 6 months just because it's really been dry out here. We've had not much moisture at all, and I feel like we need to add some moisture to these butcher blocks, and it looks so much better when you do. Like they look like brand new. So I just have been letting them sit for 20 minutes. I'm gonna wipe those down and clean these off, and then we're gonna pack up and we're gonna head out. So that's what we're gonna do. And I probably shouldn't be wearing white, but I am.
All right, we're ready to go. Finn, do you want to go home, buddy? Let's go home. Let's go.
Bye, house. Love you. Be good to our guests.